Yo, what's up everybody? It's TT, and we're diving deep into the world of iPad productivity. Remember when the iPad was just, device? The one for casual browsing, watching videos, maybe a little light gaming? Yeah, those days are long gone. The iPad, especially with the more recent generations, has transformed itself. It's a beast, a productivity powerhouse, but it's not just the hardware. iPad OS has completely changed the game with its focus on serious multitasking and optimizing your workflow. And the thing is, this isn't your clunky laptop experience. The iPad's design, its portability, the Apple Pencil, all of it just screams, take me anywhere, get things. Whether you're a student, a creative professional, or just someone who likes to stay organized on the go, this video is for you. We're breaking down the top 5 productivity apps that are going to supercharge your iPad experience. We'll cover everything from note-taking and task management to creative tools and document editing. So buckle up, let's get this thing started and transform your iPad into the ultimate productivity machine. First up, we're kicking things off with Notion, and let me tell you, this is not your average note-taking app. Notion is in a league of its own. Think of it as a digital brain, a central hub for everything you need to organize your life and work. Note-taking, project management, databases, you name it, Notion can handle it. And it's incredibly customizable. Create your own workflows, design templates, and make it your own. Need a content calendar? Notion. Project tracker for your team? Notion. Personal knowledge base? Notion. The drag and drop interface is super intuitive and it syncs across all your devices. So whether you're on your iPad, phone or laptop, everything stays up to date. That's the kind of seamless experience we're looking for. Plus, the free plan is seriously generous. The real magic of Notion is how it adapts to you. Use it as a minimalist note-taker or build complex workflows. It's like having a digital Swiss Army knife for productivity. If you're looking for one app to bring all your work and life together, check out Notion. Trust me, it might just change your life. And for a lot of you, those two things are pretty much the same. Next up, we're diving into the world of digital handwriting, and for that, there's no better app than GoodNotes 5. This is the OG, the king, the champion of digital note-taking, and for good reason. GoodNotes 5 takes everything you love about pen and paper and brings it to the digital world, but with a whole lot more power and flexibility. Imagine having an endless supply of notebooks, each perfectly organized and searchable. That's GoodNotes 5. The Apple Pencil integration is phenomenal. It feels so natural and responsive, like you're actually writing on paper. You can choose from a ton of different pen types and colors, adjust the stroke thickness, and even use the tilt feature for shading. And the handwriting recognition, forget about messy scribbles. GoodNotes can actually decipher your handwriting and convert it to text. It's scary accurate. And if you're more of a visual learner, you can sketch diagrams, draw mind maps, or even annotate PDFs directly within the app. Speaking of PDFs, GoodNotes 5 handles them like a champ. You can import any PDF, mark it up, highlight text, add comments, and even sign documents. It's a game changer for students, professionals, or anyone who works with a lot of documents. But the real beauty of GoodNotes 5 is how it enhances the note-taking experience. You can organize your notes into folders, create custom templates, and even record audio alongside your writing. It's like having a superpower for your notes. GoodNotes 5 is the ultimate digital notebook. It's perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who loves the feeling of pen and paper, but wants the power and flexibility of digital. Chapter 3. Procreate, unleash your inner artist. All right, let's switch gears now and talk about creativity. And when it comes to unleashing your artistic side on the iPad, Procreate is the undisputed champion. This is a professional-grade drawing and painting app. But don't let that intimidate you, even if you can barely draw a stick figure. Procreate is surprisingly intuitive and easy to use, while still offering a ridiculous amount of depth and powerful features. We're talking a massive library of brushes, each one customizable to your liking. You can create your own brushes, download custom ones. The possibilities are kind of endless. The layer system is robust, giving you granular control over your artwork, and the performance, buttery smooth. Even with complex illustrations and tons of layers, Procreate just doesn't quit. But here's where it gets really cool. Procreate is designed specifically for the iPad and Apple Pencil. The pressure sensitivity, the tilt support, the palm rejection, it all just works flawlessly. You can create incredibly detailed and expressive artwork with the Apple Pencil, and it feels so natural. like you're drawing on actual paper. Whether you're a seasoned digital artist or just starting out, Procreate makes it easy to bring your ideas to life. And the best part is, it's a one-time purchase, no subscriptions, no hidden fees. You pay once and you get a lifetime of creative power. Procreate is an absolute must-have for any iPad user who wants to explore their artistic side. It's powerful, it's intuitive, and it's just plain fun to use. So grab your Apple Pencil, download Procreate, and get ready to create some magic. Chapter 4. PDF Expert. Mastering the world of PDFs. Okay, let's be real. PDFs are everywhere. They're unavoidable. But dealing with them, editing them, signing them, it doesn't have to be a chore. And that's where PDF Expert swoops in to save the day. PDF Expert is the ultimate PDF management tool for your iPad. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for PDFs, packed with features to make your life easier. Want to edit text, images, or even links within a PDF? PDF Expert has got you covered. Need to annotate a document, highlight important information, or add comments? Easy peasy. And signing documents? Forget about printing, signing, and scanning. PDF Expert lets you sign electronically with just a few taps. But PDF Expert is more than just a PDF editor. It's a complete PDF management solution. You can organize all your PDFs into folders, merge multiple documents into one, and even extract pages from PDFs. It's incredibly powerful, and the interface is super clean and intuitive. Everything is laid out logically, so you can easily find the tools you need. Plus, PDF Expert integrates seamlessly with cloud storage services like Dropbox and Google Drive, so you can access your PDFs from anywhere. No more struggling with clunky desktop software or trying to edit PDFs on your tiny phone screen. PDF Expert gives you the power and flexibility to manage your PDFs like a pro, all from the comfort of your iPad. If you deal with PDFs on a regular basis, PDF Expert is a must-have app. It's going to save you time, reduce your frustration, and make you wonder how you ever lived without it. Chapter 5, Microsoft Word / Excel / PowerPoint, the familiar powerhouse. And finally, we can't talk about productivity without mentioning the classics, Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. These apps need no introduction. They're the industry standard for a reason. And the good news is they work amazingly well on the iPad. Microsoft has done a fantastic job of optimizing these apps for the iPad's touch interface. You get the full power and functionality of the desktop versions, but with a touch-first experience that just feels right. Word is as smooth as ever for writing, editing, and formatting documents. Excel spreadsheets are a breeze to work with, even on a smaller screen. And PowerPoint presentations, they look stunning on the iPad's beautiful display. Plus, all these apps integrate seamlessly with OneDrive, Microsoft's cloud storage service. So you can access your files from anywhere, collaborate with others in real time, and never have to worry about losing your work. But here's the real kicker. If you're already a Microsoft 365 subscriber, you get access to the full versions of these apps on your iPad as part of your subscription. No need to buy them separately, so if you're looking for a familiar and reliable set of productivity tools that work flawlessly on your iPad, look no further than Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. They're the classics for a reason. So there you have it, guys. Those are my top 5 picks for apps that will absolutely transform your iPad into a productivity powerhouse. But listen, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There are thousands of incredible apps out there designed specifically to help you do more, achieve more, and get things done, all from your iPad. Don't be afraid to explore, experiment, and find the apps that perfectly match your workflow and needs. And remember, the iPad experience is all about customization. Find the accessories, the keyboards, the styluses, whatever it takes to create a setup that's perfect for you. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your go-to productivity apps for the iPad? Drop your favorites in the comments below. Let's share some knowledge and help each other unlock the full potential of this incredible device.